We got 100.
All right, guys, here's what we got. We got this flush pot we're putting together with the hose. We use the little black adapter that comes out of your box. Comes with your gun. We put all the proper fittings on it. Brett's gonna go ahead and charge this thing about 100 pounds of air. We have not mineral spirits, but mineral oil in there. I get my minerals screwed up. So now we got about 100 pounds of pressure in here with some mineral oil. If you squeeze this trigger, it's gonna send fluid down to that block. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flush this gun all the way from the screens, all the way through the gun, through the tip, and flush this thing out. So stand by. Got the whole crew out here for this one. All right, so you gotta have air on your gun. You gotta have your safety off. Okay, so you're ready to spray. Brett's got this tank, okay? Got 100 PSI in there. We got mineral oil in it. And Jacob's gonna go ahead and squeeze the trigger. Do that 2 or 3 times till your gun runs clear. And that flushes out the gun. There you go, guys. That's all you have to do. You can leave it on the block till the next day, next week, whatever. And hopefully everything will spray good when you get back to it. Thank you, guys.